Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Java Persistence API Hibernate. What we are going to do is to generate tables from class entities. So this video will be very important for someone who has already a, a good background in MySQL or Postgre or anything, who used to write queries on command lines, or I don't know, or using uh, using PGMyAdmin to create database and create tables. So with this video we are going to create tables. We are going to generate tables from our Java classes, right? So we have three tables. We have a table person, a table habilitation, a table type of habilitation. Now, since we are having this relationship many-to-many and one-to-many, of course, we'll be having a fourth table which will be person habilitation, and here also we will generate a will make sure that the habilitation ID migrate to type of habilitation, the type of habilitation table. So let us first of all generate the physical model so that you will understand what we are going to do. You see, we are having here a fourth table, person habilitation. No, so let's come to NetBeans to start. First of all, we create a project. Let's create a Java FX project that we are going to name JPA demo. Now, secondly, we are going to add libraries that we need so that we can use persistence, classes, and methods. To do so, right click on the project, we go to library, come here, add library, look for Hibernate. We need also a connector since we are using Postgre, so we are going to select a Postgre connector. We have also here persistence JPA 2.1. I will select also PostgreSQL. We add these four libraries. They are going to be fair enough for us to do what we want to do. These are the libraries that we need. Then after that, we are going to create the persistence unit. To do so, we right click on the project and we go to persistence unit. Here, this is the persistence unit name. By default, it will take the name of the project and it adds PU persistence unit. And we have to create a connection to the database. So we have here new connection. Select the driver MySQL, click on next, put the database name. Since did not yet create a database, let us create a database here. New database JPA demo DB. Okay. Now we come back here, put DPA demo DB. think it has been created. Yes, of course. And put the password to the database. Can't test the connection to see. Connection succeeded. Next. Select the schema public. Next. Okay. Everything is fine. After that, what we do, we create our classes. Come here, we select entity class. The first class that we want to create is the class person. So we have person. We select the ID, data type. Next. And we select a package entity. We create a package where we are going to put our classes. This is our first class according to let's say duplicate name. We have entity person using the same name. So we have our class persons, right? We add the other instance variable private string of first name private string last name. We go add getters and setters for all the instance variables. Add the overloaded constructor, the default constructor, and if you want the overloaded constructor, you can regenerate the hash function, taking into account the new instance variable that we added, and to string method. Our class person is already ready, so we do the same thing for the other classes. Like we have habilitation. Habilitations. Integer. Just add the name private string. The getter setter for constructor. We almost good for this also class. Just have to add the hash code and the string method, taking into consideration the new instance variable that we add. Now we create the third and last class. which is type habilitation. Do not want the video to be too long, but anyway, I'm sure that it will be useful to you guys. Add private string. Do the indentation. We insert getter for the insert label, default constructor, the overloaded one. And we generate the passcode and the string method. Okay, good. First of all, let us create the entity manager. We go to the main method entity. Create an object of entity manager factory. Persistence. Dot create entity manager factory. Then we put here the name of the unit of persistence. To find it, we have to come here, we go to source and we copy it here. Sit here. Fine. So far so good. Now we run the project and we wait for the magic to blow up. There is a small error. Let us fix it. It's not a big deal. We just have to go to property processor to remove this Eclipse link model. Then we come back, we run the project. Good. Let us first read the log and see. Blah blah blah, everything is fine. Read the last part, connection, blah blah blah, jar, JPA demo, persistence unit login successful. So as a matter of fact, we have succeeded to be connected to the database. Now let us see whether it has created the tables. We have here already JPA demo, but if you don't have it, it is simple. Let me delete this one. We create together. Disconnect first. We create together one. So you come here, create new connection, select the driver, next, put the database name. Here it is JPA demo db. This is good. Now it is here. You refresh and you open, go to public tables. So wow, we have our 4 tables here: habilitation, person, sequence, type of habilitation. This is a default table that will be created. So the 3 tables first for the moment that we have is habilitation, we have ID, name, we have person, we have ID, first name, last name, and we have type of habilitation. Now, if when we come back to our physical model here, when we go to our physical model here, we have to have person habilitation, right? Now to do so, we come back to our codes. For the now, right now, I'm showing you how to manage the many-to-many relationship using JPA. It is simple. You come here, type arrobas many-to-many. Cascade or cascade type. Or cascade type. Dot assist. Cascade type. Manage. Arrobas many-to-many. And we come arrobas join table. Okay, table name, person, habilitation. Uh, join column, and column, we put the name of the primary key of person. We have person ID, inverse, join column, reverse, join column, name, have habilitation ID. Now we create a list of habilitations. List of the codes. So we generate getters and setters for the new instance variable that we have created. Now we go to habilitation. put also the annotation as many-to-many by copy the name of the list here and we create also a list of persons okay. Generate getters and setters for this. The last part which remain is the one-to-many that we have to handle. So we go to type of habilitation. This one is simple. We type arrobas ManyToOne because it is, as a matter of fact, from our when we go to our class diagram, since we are having here one-to-many, it is the habilitation ID which is supposed to migrate to type of habilitation. So we go to the type of habilitation class, we write the JPA code there so that the habilitation ID will migrate to type of habilitation when it will generate the tables. ManyToOne and arrowbars and column name habilitation ID. Guys, you should not bother because of the names that I'm putting. It's up to you. These are the names that will be considered while creating the table. The columns of the table, they will use these names. So don't worry if you are seeing habilitation ID or habilitation or ID habilitation. It doesn't matter. It's just a name. I create an object of person habilitation here. Generate the getters and setters. Can still generate the hash code and the string method, taking into consideration the new variable that we have added. We do the same thing in person. The same thing here in habilitation. Save everything and then we run the project and wait for the magic to perform. Normally it's supposed to generate a person habilitation table, because it has showed that we have connected successfully. So we refresh. We see tables. Wow, you can see person habilitation. It is having as columns person ID and habilitation ID. And foreign keys, we have person habilitation that create the link to the habilitation table, and we have also person ID that create the link to the ID of person that is inside the person table. So guys, the video has been a little bit long, but I am sure that you enjoyed well the video, and click and subscribe on my YouTube channel, so that as soon as I post the video, you will be informed and you will enjoy the next video. I will make another. I will publish it soon, and I will explain to you how to fetch data using JPA and how to update. Thank you for your attention and watching the video.